I've had a few questions from pupils saying, why can't we just cancel? This is an expression, x plus 2 divided by x. Why can't we just cancel x with x here? Because there is no x here. And let's demonstrate what's happening here with some numbers to make it very clear to you. Here we have a string of numbers. Let's underline all our x terms first. We have a 2x here, minus 3x, minus 4x. So here we get 2x minus 3x minus x. So we get 2x minus 4x, which would give us minus 2x. And then we have 4 minus 2 minus 2. So this expression here would simplify to minus 2x plus 2. We could rewrite it like that if we wanted, where we have minus 2 times 2x and minus 2. We have a minus in front of both sides, so we can think of it as being minus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 2. And how we simplify that doesn't really matter. But we have to, the important thing here, when we are simplifying our equations, we have to take the x terms and add them first individually and then the numbers. So we're always doing x's by themselves and numbers by themselves. If we have an expression like this where we have x plus 2 divided by x, if we were to cancel the x's here, we'd get plus 2 divided by nothing, because the x's cancel. So we'd get the answer plus 2. Let's put some numbers in here for x and see if that's right. Will we get the answer 2 if x equals 5? Well, on the top we would get 5 plus 2, and on the bottom we would get 5. We know that 5 plus 2 is 7. And if we divide 7 by 5, do we get the answer plus 2? No, we don't. If we were to say x equals 6, and we were to say 6 plus 2 divided by 6, well, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 divided by 6 is absolutely not 2. So we cannot cancel x plus 2 divided by x and do anything to simplify these x's. Because the x is one type of term, it's an unknown variable, we don't know what value it has. It could be 5, it could be 6, it could be 1020, we have no idea what x is. So x plus 2 is not the same as x, it's 2 more than whatever x is. And when you put numbers in here, you can actually see why it wouldn't end up simplifying to plus 2. So you must never want to do that. If we were to have a look over here then, could we simplify here? Because we have x plus 2x divided by x. Well, yes, we could actually. Here we have an x in every term. So we could say x divided by x is 1, and 2x divided by x is 2. So we could simplify this one to get 1 plus 2, which is 3. Another way of thinking about it is x plus 2x divided by x. If we just look at the top term, x plus 2x is the same as 3x. 3x divided by x. X divided by x is 1, so the answer is going to be 3. So here we can actually cancel the x's because the x is in every single term. Let's try it for some numbers. Let's say that x is 5. If x is 5, we'd have 5 plus 2 lots of 5, which would be 10, all divided by 5, which would give us 15 divided by 5, which would be 3. If we tried x equals 6, we'd get 6 plus 12 divided by 6, which would be 18 divided by 6, which would be 3. So it doesn't matter what value of x we were to put in here. If we put in 1,000, it would be the same thing. If we were to do x plus 2x divided by x, we're always going to get the answer 3. And we can see why. We can simplify it this way by cancelling x in every term, or we can add all our x terms by themselves and divide by x at the end, getting x over x, giving us 3. So whichever way we do this one, we can see that this one will simplify, this one won't. X plus 2 divided by x can't be simplified. We leave it in that term.